Hello and welcome to our video on black holes. Today we're going to explore the mysterious and fascinating world of black holes, those enigmatic, invisible objects that lurk at the heart of many galaxies and whose existence has puzzled scientists for decades. So what exactly is a black hole? Put simply, it's a region of space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. Black holes are formed when a massive star runs out of fuel and collapses in on itself, creating a singularity, a point of infinite density, and zero volume. There are several types of black holes depending on their mass and properties. The most common type is the stellar black hole, which is formed when a star between 5 and 20 times the mass of the Sun collapses. These black holes are relatively small with a radius of just a few kilometers. There are also intermediate black holes, which are between 100 and 10,000 times the mass of the Sun, and supermassive black holes, which can have a mass of millions or even billions of times that of the Sun. These are thought to be at the centers of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way. The effects of black holes can be seen throughout the universe. One of the most striking is the way they distort light and space-time. As matter falls into a black hole, it heats up and emits radiation, creating a bright disk of gas and dust around the black hole known as an accretion disk. The extreme gravitational forces near the black hole cause the light from this disk to be bent and twisted, creating spectacular visual effects. Black holes can also influence the motion of nearby objects, causing them to orbit around the black hole or be flung out into space at high speeds. In some cases, black holes can even merge, releasing huge amounts of energy in the form of gravitational waves. Despite the fact that black holes are invisible, scientists have been able to study them in detail using a variety of techniques. For example, they can detect the radiation emitted by matter falling into a black hole, as well as the gravitational effects of the black hole on nearby stars and gas. Recently, the first ever image of a black hole was captured by the Event Horizon Telescope, a network of telescopes around the world that work together to create an ultra-high-resolution image. This breakthrough has allowed scientists to study black holes in more detail than ever before. Black holes are some of the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. Despite their invisible nature, scientists have been able to learn a great deal about them, and we continue to uncover new insights into their properties and behavior. As we explore the universe further, it's likely that black holes will continue to play a central role in our understanding of the cosmos. Thank you for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed this journey into the heart of darkness.